5 signs your team is quiet quitting and how to fix them. Ever had a team member who's still doing their job but seems a little bit checked out? That's called quiet quitting. And it's when employees stop going above and beyond and just do the bare minimum. At WorkStory, we've seen this firsthand. Our platform helps to identify all these sort of early signs of disengagement for different teams. And today I'm going to show you 5 key signs of quiet quitting and how you can try to fix them in your own team. So the first one is a drop in engagement. People are no longer participating in meetings, they're not sharing ideas, they're not communicating as openly as they once have. You might think that they're just generally checked out. Another sign is people doing the bare minimum amount of work. This is just enough tasks getting done, not a lot of extra effort, no additional creativity being put into things that need to get done for the purposes of the business. Sign number 3, avoiding things related to like career development, conversations about that, not really wanting to engage in growing personally and professionally. If someone used to like jump at opportunities to take on new projects and now they're not interested, that's a big sign. Sign number 4, people withdrawing from team engagement, team activities, team events. People previously wanting to take part in sort of extracurricular activities or other ways of collaborating with their peers, and they're just not doing it anymore. And the 5th sign is people who just don't really want feedback anymore, disinterested in feedback, once seeking it out at all times, really wanting your input on how things are going, and now just not really caring, just handing in work and kind of going about their thing. So that's 5 clear signs of potential quiet quitting or disengagement going on. So what are a few ways to go about fixing it? 1, open up the conversation. Asking how people are feeling, listening to their thoughts can actually make a difference if you're coming at it from a true, honest perspective of wanting to help the team member. Another one, which we've talked about previously, is recognizing efforts. When there are small wins, celebrate them publicly. Doing that can reignite motivation in team members who feel a little disengaged. Other ways of fixing are offering tailored growth opportunities. Find out what excites that specific team member and see if you can align their work with those sorts of things. Another fix, encouraging team interactions. Create new opportunities for different people to work together, sort of low pressure situations, not like mission critical projects. See if you can help to bring team members back into the fold by having them collaborate in different manners. And the last potential fix, something that WorkStory does quite well, is helping teams to provide more actionable feedback. So give real feedback as a chance to grow and improve, not just as a means of correcting the work they've done or things that they haven't done well. So anyway, in general, quiet quitting, disengagement doesn't mean someone's like absolutely ready to quit. It just means that they're no longer really motivated or engaged in the work they're doing. So if you can spot these signs early on, take action, turn things around, it can make a huge impact not only on that individual team member, but the organization as a whole with regard to reducing turnover and getting a lot of the work done you need, especially at this time of year. So anyway, if you want more tips on this, we come out with videos every week based on stuff that we see going on with the teams that WorkStory is working with. And hopefully this might be helpful to you guys.